Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on class data.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is the arithmetic operators directs Excel to the perform the division operation. The correct answer of the question is the asterisk. Following a self-reference in formula is the arithmetic operator that direct Excel to perform the division operation. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an ask session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.